Indonesia is a country with a rich history and culture, and a diverse population. Here are 5 things you need to know about Indonesia. Indonesia is the world's largest archipelagic country. It is made up of over 17,000 islands, stretching from the Indian Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Indonesia is home to its range of cultures and languages. There are more than 300 ethnic and over 700 languages spoken in Indonesia. Indonesia is a melting pot of religions. The majority of Indonesians are Muslim, but there are also significant populations of Christians, Hindus, and Buddhists. Indonesia is a tropical country with stunning natural beauty. The country is home to rainforests, beaches, volcanoes, and more. Indonesia is a growing economic power. The country is the largest economy in Southeast Asia and is expected to continue to grow in the coming years.